A passenger plane is made through a complex process that involves designing, engineering, manufacturing, and assembling various components. The process begins with the design phase, where engineers create detailed plans for the aircraft's structure, systems, and interiors. This is followed by the manufacturing of the necessary components, such as the fuselage, wings, engines, and landing gear. These parts are then assembled in a carefully choreographed process, with each section being put together and tested to ensure it meets safety and quality standards. Once constructed, the plane undergoes rigorous testing to verify its performance and safety before it is ready for commercial use. The entire process of making a passenger plane can take several years and requires the expertise of thousands of workers and specialists in the aerospace industry. After the plane has been assembled and tested, it undergoes a series of certification processes by aviation authorities to ensure it meets all safety and quality standards. This involves rigorous testing for performance, durability, and safety in various conditions. Once the necessary approvals are obtained, the plane is ready for commercial use. The final step involves delivering the aircraft to its respective airline or buyer, where it will undergo further customization and preparation for service. The entire process of making a passenger plane involves the collaboration of engineers, manufacturers, assembly workers, testing specialists, and aviation authorities, all working towards the common goal of creating a safe and reliable aircraft for passengers to travel in. Aircraft are designed according to many factors such as customer and manufacturer demand, safety protocols, and physical and economic constraints. For many types of aircraft, the design process is regulated by national airworthiness authorities. Powered aircraft have one or more onboard sources of mechanical power, typically aircraft engines, although rubber and manpower have also been used. Most aircraft engines are either lightweight reciprocating engines or gas turbines. Engine fuel is stored in tanks, usually in the wings, but larger aircraft also have additional fuel tanks in the fuselage.